In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Facebook monetization. To get started, open Facebook and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page or your professional profile. It's important to make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one page or creator profile. If you use professional mode on a personal profile, that works too, as long as it's the profile connected to your content. Once you're logged in, go to your Facebook page or your professional mode profile. From there, look for the professional dashboard and open it. This is the main area where Facebook gives creators and page managers access to tools, insights, and monetization settings. Inside the professional dashboard, find the monetization section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where Facebook shows the earning features and monetization programs that may be available for your account. Take a moment to review what appears here because available options can vary depending on your account type, content, and region. Next, click Check Eligibility. Facebook will evaluate your page or profile and show whether you currently qualify for monetization features. If you're not eligible yet, don't worry. Facebook will usually show which requirements still need to be met, so you'll have a clearer idea of what to improve before applying again. If your account is eligible, continue with the setup prompts. You may be asked to verify your identity, which is a common step for account security and compliance. You'll also need to set up your payout account so Facebook knows where to send your earnings. In some cases, you may be required to add tax information as part of the monetization setup. Before finishing, carefully review and accept the monetization terms. After that, complete any remaining setup steps and submit your application if the specific monetization program requires one. Keep in mind that some Facebook monetization features are activated automatically once your account is approved, while others may involve a separate review process. Once submitted, you'll need to wait for Facebook's review. During this stage, Facebook checks whether your account follows its monetization policies. Processing times can vary, so be patient while your application is being reviewed. If you're approved, you can start using the monetization features available to your account. These may include in-stream ads, where available, content monetization programs, stars, subscriptions, and other eligible earning opportunities for creators. Finally, to keep track of everything, return to the professional dashboard and open monetization again. That's where you can monitor your earnings, check your payout status, and review your account performance over time.